You guys, I finally found Zooey Electra. So that wasn't much of an intro. Hello, what the heck is up, my Atlanteans? Yeah, so I know everyone has already been talking about Shadow High Series 2, but listen. Y'all have no idea. First time I saw Shadow High Series 2, it was at the video game store, and I saw everyone. But then I went back another day, and they only had, like, Rex and, like, all of these other people. That's how we got Rex. Zooey, I've been wanting pretty much since the leaks, right? Like, no stars? Come on. Okay, so, like, today, go to the mall, right? I'm having a bad day. So far, it's a bad week. I'm walking around. I really want to get Olivia Flutter, you know? LOL OMG Tweens. The Y2K thing is, like, giving for me. And Walmart didn't have her anymore. And the only place that has them is Toronto. And I'm in BC right now. So, go to another store, taking a look around. Toys R Us has Series freaking 2. They even had Series 5 of Rainbow High. And I was almost 100% sure, even on the Amazon website, Series 2 and Series 5 of Rainbow High, they weren't supposed to come out until April. So I was ecstatic. Zooey Electra. Okay, let's get right in. Something's loose in there. What is loose in here? I felt something loose in here. Let's get right into it. I'm really excited to open her. Okay, so our alien girl here is Zooey. So she's like our mint green girl of Shadow High Series 2. Once again, I feel like I've talked about this. I'm not so sure how I feel about Shadow High going into more like colors. Like, I really wish that they kind of stayed with the grayscale. Like, they could have kept going with that, but they decided to do colors, which is fine. So here is pretty much Zooey. I'm gonna be honest, I just really want to open her. I'm so excited. So here is what she looks like inside of her box. Here's a little box art, and there's artwork on the background as well. So that's really cute. It says Shadow High on the side. We have silver going around because Rainbow High is more gold, Shadow High is more silver. And then it says Zooey Electra on the top, and then you can see her little color strip. On the side, you can see her focus. I was so sure that all of their focuses are different, but I guess they're all fashion design focus, which is fine. I just think it's interesting that like every single character is now a fashion design focus. It also tells you everything that's included, so you get a doll, a jacket, a shirt, skirt, a pair of socks, a pair of shoes, a pair of earrings, a thermos, laptop, a cell phone, a phone case, 2 hangers, 1 comb, and 1 doll stand. I guess it's kind of to make up for the times we didn't have clothing hangers. On the back, oh, and on the other side we have like the little glitch. On the back, we don't have that like whole artwork with everyone in it. Now we have only Miss Zooey and Daya on the back. And it says, fashion doesn't have to follow the rules, and neither does Shadow High. Watch out, Rainbow High. We're coming for the runway. So yeah, obviously we're not getting a second outfit, which is fine. Like, we're still getting accessories. They're trying to make up for it. It's fine. And from what I've noticed, every character's outfit, like the one outfit they come with, is super high quality. So I'm not even mad. Okay, so as y'all can tell, I'm really excited. I'm gonna go ahead and open her up, and we're gonna take a closer look at her. Okay, so I just got her out of the box. I'm gonna show you all of the usual things that she comes with. So she does have the usual stand and base combo. This time it's in this glittery, would I say mint? It kind of looks more teal than mint, doesn't it? But yeah, standard base. Thank God for this. Let's not take those for granted. Now we have the little hairbrush that she comes with, same color as the stand, and our little clothing hangers. Thank God for these. So we have a little top one that says Shadow one, and the bottom one has a little SH on it. Let's not take these for granted, because everyone was screaming about these when they weren't giving these to us. So thank you. Thank you for these, despite them not coming with a second outfit. Next are the fun things that she comes with. So, first thing that I'm like kind of excited about is this little thermos. So as you can see, it just says NASA. Does it say NASA? Nope, it says Shadow. Pretty much like the NASA logo, and then it says Sassy in the NASA font, so I think that's really fun. And we have a little thing so she can actually hold it, thank God. Because the one thing I don't like about some of like doll accessories is that they can't actually use it. Sorry, I'm just seeing if like, can I remove this? I guess I haven't seen any reviews of Zooey herself. But it does have a little cap on it. And it kind of looks like you can remove it. But I guess I'm just not going to try to do that right now. But yeah, you can see it's pretty much all her color. And then they have a little silver top there. And you could like kind of see through it too. And getting into the Novi stars of it all. Here is her little cell phone. It is in a little silver color. And her phone screen is actually Mimi Mirai from Novi Stars. Wow, and you could like see, wow. This is a really nice sticker. I mean, you could totally print this on, but as we know for Barbie and Monster High, if you print it on, you will count the pixels. I like how stickers, you can like actually see every single detail. So you can see that she has a bunch of notifications and she's at full battery. And to her phone, so she can hold it, she has a little cell phone case. It has like little Shadow High logos and stars and moons. Because she's the alien astrology bitch, isn't she? And just like Rex, it has the little thumb grip for her. So that's really cute. I love that we're getting little phone cases. It's kind of cheeseball, but it is of the time, so. Here is her laptop. I don't think I've ever seen the front of it. We have one Shadow High logo, and then we have one sticker that says Commander, and it looks like the cat that's on the neon shadow accessories, you know? And those are actual stickers, so I think those fit nice. And then inside we can see Mimi Mirai's all close up. It looks like Photoshop. So she's being worked on right now. So what's going on there, MJ, huh? I would love to see more Novi stars. Like, I want Novi stars to come back so bad. It is pretty much exactly like Rex's too. You have the little keyboard, the little touchpad. You have it all. You have it all. And yes, it is on an actual hinge as well. So it's not gonna break anytime soon. Finally, here we have Miss Zooey Electra. Yep, so here is Zooey. She's just so gorgeous. Oh my god. I am so happy with her already. I've just been playing around with her a little bit, but yeah, so far I'm absolutely loving her. So she does have these 3 little knots atop her head. She has this really, it doesn't look like a blend of anything. It's really all just like mint colored nylon, but it's quite jelly on the sides of her head here. The actual back of it, box hair of course, but this doesn't have much gel. It's mostly just on these front pieces here. Here is her gorgeous face. There was another variant at the Toys R Us I went to. She had lighter brows, and even the white parts of her graphic liner was darker as well. The only reason why I didn't choose that one was because one of the circles was a little messed up. But I don't know, I didn't really care much for the variant. Like, I was kind of thinking of just removing her eyebrows altogether, I'm gonna be honest. So yeah, she does have brunette eyebrows. She has these dots on top of the front parts of her eyebrows. This is her makeup. It's quite glittery. It's quite nice. It's put on there quite nice, I'd say. She has a peachy lip that I think really just like, it goes really well with this, like surprisingly. Like, I would much prefer a darker lip, but I don't know, it's working. Oh, and there is tinsel in her hair as well, so if that's not something you're into, look out for that. You might need to pluck that out. Another thing I have to mention is like first of all, these earrings are gorge. So they're obviously like those, what are they called? Electric pin thingies, do you know what I mean? Are they? I really hope they are, because that would be embarrassing. Yeah, it just says Shadow High on the longer part, but they're beautiful, right? But unfortunately, they're just like so loose in her ear. Like, her ear holes are just way too big. So I think I'm gonna have to work on that. But yes, so her main color is mint, as you can tell by her skin tone as well. She has edges along her hairline. It's just that they're not painted in. I don't know if that's what we're going for, but you know what? If it's all supposed to be like the same color as the skin, like, I understand. I like that it's there. I just think her face is so pretty. No? So here is her one outfit, but I gotta say I'm really impressed by it. No V-Stars t-shirt with Mimi Mirai's on it once again. Interesting that Mimi, like, they chose Mimi out of all of them. You'd think that, like, Una would be more her style, but I digress. So yeah, it's just a plain white crop t-shirt, and it has Mimi on the front of it. This is her skirt. Love this. It's like kind of iridescent, kind of like it changes color in the light, like it's kind of oil slick vibes, you know. And there's like these actual, like, I don't, oh no, they're plated. They're like these like plated pieces on her skirt that looks like it's putting it all together. Her leg was really tight on like on unboxing, so I had to like really like force it. Like, it's meant to move, I just kind of had to force it. She has these little iridescent socks. I am obsessed with these. Oh my god, they are like a little like loafer, not loafer, like slide type of wedge shoe. And on the front we have these little, like, oh my god, they're what are they called? Like plugs, I guess that's the best way to call it. And yeah, they're silver, and they're actually like tied on the end of these little like ropes that kind of go on the front of these shoes. And oh, there goes her earring. And just look at that heel. It's giving alien. It's giving alien. And honestly, like, probably my most favorite piece is this jacket. Just like, look at all of that little detail. Like, literally all over it. And then this is like an actual piece of plastic that is sewn onto the jacket. There's like pieces hanging off of it. All of these pockets work. There's a faux zipper at the front. Oh my gosh. And then on the back we have that shadow symbol, I guess. And then on the back here you have these two little strings that actually cinches up the jacket, I think. No, I guess they're just kind of like attached to each other through this. So it doesn't really like attach it. Oh, there goes her other ear. But yes, I am quite impressed by her. Despite her not coming with a second outfit, you guys know I love a doll with a gimmick, especially like multiple outfits. Like, you know, I love a good mix and match situation. But she really is like just gorgeous by herself. Like, I think this doll is quite worth it. So I bought her at Toys R Us in Canada for $46.99. On our Amazon she's actually $49, so that's why I chose to get her at Toys R Us this time, because I was like, she's cheaper. Yeah, so there's her little manicure. It's like a darker color than her skin, just a little darker, but it's sharp. And I really like that they're getting like character specific accessories. Like, they're not all like the same run-of-the-mill like cell phone and phone case. Like, they're all printed to be different, they're all painted to be different. So I really like that. And of course she does have amazing articulation as well, so that's another thing that you could be excited for with all of these Shadow High and Rainbow High dolls. And for the price point, I honestly kind of think she's worth it, surprisingly. Somehow I find this one doll with no second outfit and all like little like plastic accessories, like, I just give it all like a 10 out of 10. Like, I just love Zooey and I'm really happy with her. This is all my opinion though. Let me know what you guys think of her in the comments. But yeah, I think she's worth it. I know to a lot of Canadians $46 is a lot, especially right now. So as I always say, if you really like Zooey, get her while you can. Otherwise, you can totally just like wait for an Amazon sale, something like that. Like, she will go on sale at one point. I'll say that about all dolls. Like, they're expensive, but they'll go on sale at some point. Except for Monster High. Like the Haute Couture dolls. Ooh, she has these little elastics on the back too. That cinches up the bottom, like, actually. Alright, yeah, so that is everything for this video. I feel like this video has gone by, but I'm just so excited about Zooey. I'm so excited to finally have her. She's my favorite, and I'm like, I finally have her. That's so exciting. Okay, but yeah, I love her. I think she's super worth it. I hope you guys liked her too. Let me know if you guys liked this video. Hit me up in the links in my description, and I'll see you all on the flip side. Bye bye.